In a small peaceful village surrounded by endless fields of golden wheat, a little brown bird began building her nest. Carefully, she collected soft twigs, dry grass, and tiny strands of straw to create a safe home hidden among the tall plants. When her work was done, she settled inside, lovingly warming her precious eggs. One quiet morning, cracks appeared in the eggshells, and tiny chicks emerged, trembling and covered in soft feathers. The mother bird looked at them with boundless love. She flew tirelessly across the fields and nearby forests, gathering food to feed their hungry mouths. Each trip was an expression of her endless devotion. Life in the fields, however, is always full of change. One day, the farmer came to the wheat field and said, "Tomorrow, my children will come to harvest this part of the field." The chicks, too young to fly, trembled with worry. Their mother comforted them, "Rest tonight, no harm will come." Indeed, the next day passed without anyone entering the field. The wheat stood tall and the nest remained safe. Days later, the farmer returned again, saying, "Tomorrow, the farm workers will harvest this section." The chicks trembled again, but the mother reassured them, "Sleep, nothing will happen tomorrow." The next day, just as she said, the workers did not come. Time passed gently. But one afternoon, the farmer returned once more with a different tone. "Tomorrow, I will do the harvest myself," he said firmly. The chicks hurried to their mother, fear in their hearts. "What now? Why do you look worried?" The mother bird took a deep breath and said, "My dear ones, tomorrow we must leave. The time to stay safe in this nest has ended." The chicks asked why, and she explained, "When he relied on others, the work wasn't certain. But when he acts himself, the task will be done." That evening, under the fading light, the chicks stretched their wings and took their first flight. It was not perfect, but it was enough to carry them to safety. As they soared away, the farmer entered the field the next morning with his sickle. When he reached the nest, it was empty. The bird family was safe, and the harvest was his to claim. This story is more than just about birds and farmers. It teaches a valuable lesson: depending only on others brings uncertainty. But when we take responsibility and act with courage, we ensure that the work is done and the way forward is clear. True independence is found in trusting our own wings and facing the unknown with bravery.